Meaning of folic acid.
Folic acid.
Folic acid.
Folic acid.
Folic acid. Folic acid, also known as folate or vitamin B9, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays an essential role in various bodily functions. It helps to create new red blood cells, supports cell division and growth, and aids in DNA synthesis and repair. Adequate intake of folic acid is crucial during pregnancy to prevent birth defects in the baby's brain and spine. It may also reduce the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Folic acid can be found in many foods, including leafy green vegetables, citrus fruits, and fortified grains.